Hi, I'm Chris Smith, Platform Product Manager here at Perfect Sense. In today's demo, we're covering a feature that makes reporters and editors' lives easier. That feature is image editing. Let's start with looking at the front end of a site. So here, on an example site, this is Entertainment Now. It's made up of multiple modules here. You can see it as a nice lead module here with an image from an article. If you look down here, you have another module full of videos with thumbnails. So to get to it, images are used all over a site. They can be tiles that promote your articles and content on modules, and click over here. It could be the first thing users see on an article page. Jump back. So the use case, sometimes an editor might want to adjust the image, especially kind of the crop of how it appears. For example, on this module, you got to see that the text is kind of conflicting with the light in the background. So one of the things we're going to show you is how you can edit an image without needing to use photo editing software, and how you can adjust the crops. To show this, we'll jump back to Brightspot. Alright, so I'm in the Brightspot dashboard. Let me go ahead and search for that image. Is it elderly man? Okay, there we go. Elderly man. Cool. So I get taken to the image asset page. What I can do here is edit. When I edit, it gives me a nice full preview, so I'll be able to actually focus on editing this image. And speaking of that, the first option we get is picking a focus point. Right, so this sets the specific area that should be visible across all image crops on your site, whether if it's a giant lead like we saw or a little tile on the home page of a module. So it will be honored. I'll set that. I'll go over to the next tab, which is Edit. And here I can update things like brightness, contrast. I can flip kind of the orientation of it. Wow. I can do some other things like add filters. I think my favorite's probably the grayscale. Nice. Looks really cool. I can just unclick it if I don't want to do that. And one thing I do want to note is that we always keep the original. So some of these changes you make, it's fine. We always store the original for you so you can access it later or revert. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll probably just do a few changes. Update the brightness. Just throw some grayscale in there just to show. We'll go over here to sizes. This is probably the best part of image editing for me personally. This is where you get a nice preview of what all your crops will look like across the site. So if I scroll down, you can see this is all the promo. This is a small one. This will look like in a gallery slide or Twitter sharing, video promo. So it looks like large, lead large. So these are all the different crops, and you can adjust them one by one. So if I wanted to say, hey, I want to move this one up just for that crop, it doesn't affect any of the other crops. Just adjust a few of these. You can see these changes happen over here in real time. Update that one. Update that one. Update that one too. Alright, cool. And then once I'm done, just exit out. And just publish. Let's actually go check on the front end site, see if my changes took. Alright, go ahead and refresh this. And there we go. The image has changed into grayscale, a little brighter, and also we no longer have the text conflicting with this light there. Great, so that's all I have for today. Until next time.